Welcome to EDU World Space.
Okay, so I see that you need help with this question, and it states the following. From a random sample of 7 students in an introductory finance class that uses group learning techniques, the mean of the score is found to be 78.92, and the sample standard deviation is 2.5. For an independent random sample of 8 students in another introductory class that does not use group learning techniques, the sample mean and the standard deviation of the exam scores is 74.28 and the standard deviation is 8.6. Estimate the 95% confidence interval of the difference between the two population mean scores. Do not assume equal population variances. Okay, so what you first have to do is you have to calculate the pooled variance. So you have to take 7 minus 1 and multiply that by 2.5 squared. And then you have to add that to 8 minus 1 and multiply that by 8.6 squared. Then what you have to do is you have to add 7 plus 8 and then subtract 2, and you're going to get 42.71. Then you're going to take the square root of 42.71 and you're going to get 6.54. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take that 6.54, you're going to multiply that by the square root of 1/7 plus 1/8, and you're going to get 3.38. Then what you're going to do is, you know that the degrees of freedom is 13 because 7 plus 8 minus 2 equals 13. Then you're going to calculate the significance level. So that is going to be 1 minus 0.95, which is 0.05. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take 1 minus 0.05 and you are going to divide that by 2 and you're going to get 0.975. And you're going to be using that to calculate your t-score. So t and then 0.975 and then multiply that by 13 and you're going to get 2.16. So that's going to be your t-score. Then what you're going to do is you are going to take that you're going to take that number and you're going to take your degrees of freedom and your t-score, and you're going to get your margin of error, which is half of the confidence interval range. So you're going to take your 78.92 minus 74.28, and that's plus or minus 2.16. And you're going to multiply that by 3.382. Oops. 3.38. And you're going to get 4.64 plus or minus 7.31. Okay, and so you're going to use that to get your lower limit and your upper limit. So your lower limit is 4.64 minus 7.31, and that's negative 2.67. And then your upper limit is going to be 11.95. So I hope that this video helps. This is a middle school math teacher signing out.